All right, folks. Astoria, Queens. My God. It took an hour and a half to get here this morning. An hour and a half. Jeez Louise. Now I gotta walk halfway up the block to get to this steam boiler. Crazy. I guess I could have took that spot, huh? Oh, man. Oh, man, the snow never stops here, I swear. What's up?
Hey, man. It's a little bit messy.
All good?
It's hard. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you what.
All right. All right. Straight ahead, right?
Straight ahead.
Thank you. I remember this one. Yep, no problem. Thermostat is on or off right now?
It's on equal right now, so it's off.
Can you raise the thermostat up, please?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me do that real quick. So it's on off hour.
We don't got any gas flowing. That's weird.
The gas comes on.
You turn the gas on. The spark does not ignite the gas. Unless I give it supplemental. And then it ignites. It's like a ground. The pilot is not hitting the flame. Alright, power's off. Let's just take these burners out. I want to take that out. There's the ground there. May have a bad ground here. Take that out of there. Take this burner out. Yeah, let's. Ooh, a lot of heat there, huh? All right, I cleaned the pilot burner and set it where it should be. Let's put the other burners back in. See how easy that is when you don't have to like go underneath and line it up. It just slides right into the back. Let's see, where are you? Come on. There you go. Wait for the low water cut off. That's a long, there we go. Now we wait for thermostat, which I believe is a nest. It's gonna take a minute for the gas is not being ignited. Why not? All right, I am going to replace the pilot burner assembly. We're going to give him a Honeywell that I have in the truck, and that's going to make this problem go away, in my opinion, because if I manually light it, tick, 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 it stays on, and we're good. So I just need to give him a new universal electronic ignition, intermittent pilot, gas valve assembly. I mean, a gas control. Oh my God, I'm like tongue-tied. Pilot burner assembly. The Honeywell Resideo Q3451U for use with intermittent pilot, both in natural and LP gas applications. It's got the Target style pilot burner with integrated ignition lead. 3-position adjustable hood. Let's go. Stretch here. Come on, baby. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. This is just the extra control wiring. Put that out of the way. Fire and hole. And there's that pilot flame immediate. Ignition. Turn that off. It's going to try to spark. Turn the gas back on. Instant get that pilot flame. And main ignition. Perfect. All right, the boiler's up and running. Took care of that. But take a look at this fairly new A.O. Smith water heater. No drip leg. No screws in any of the vent piping. None of it. Yes, there's no drip leg because this is New York City, but no drip leg. Brand new. No screws. The snow doesn't stop.
Yeah, it never stops.
Oh my gosh, should be another school day. Another snow day. Just don't want to bust my ass. And guys, don't forget, Monday, March 9th, 6:30 p.m. at the Troll Pub in Dayton, Ohio. Yes, I'm talking about you sitting in your parents' basement wearing your sister's underpants. A meet and greet hosted by ACIQ. Free food, free drink. The pre-Mikey Pipes birthday bash. That's going to be on Tuesday, March 10th, 2026 at 2 p.m. live streaming from ACIQ headquarters. You're not going to want to miss it, folks. If you're an HVAC dealer that's licensed and insured, you're not going to want to miss this opportunity. You owe it to yourself and to your clients to know about the great brand of ACIQ, headquartered in Dayton, Ohio. Amazing stuff, folks. Catch you in the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe, and stay warm.